हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपण मानकु मो यूट्यूब चैनल स्वागत। आज आम डिस्कस करवा 2023 मसीह होइथिबा OSSTET एग्जाम रो हिस्ट्री एवं पॉलिटिकल साइंस क्वेश्चंस आंसर। आपण माने जदि OSSTET एग्जाम पई प्रिपरेशन करछंती वीडियोटी को निश्चित देखंतु एवं चैनल ले जदि प्रथम थर पई देखछंती चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी रखंतु। नेम द इंडियन मैथमेटिशियन who discovered the Pythagoras theorem around 800 BC. इंडियार गणितज्ञ किए पाइथागोरस थियोरम को डिस्कवर्ड करथिले? बुद्धायन, आर्यभट्ट, नागार्जुन, ब्रह्मगुप्त। यार आंसर हम ऑप्शन ए बुद्धायन। The revolt of 1857 started from 1857 रिवोल्ट कौठारे स्टार्ट होइथिला? दिल्ली, झांसी, मेरठ, कानपुर। यार आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी मेरठ ठारे स्टार्ट होइथिला। Which of the following is false with regard to art and architecture during the Mauryan period? Mauryan art was influenced by Persian and Greek art. The most striking feature with regard to the pillars was its luster polish. It was influenced by Buddhism to a great extent. On the whole, Mauryan art was primitive in nature. यार आंसर हम ऑप्शन डी on the whole Meerut art was primitive in nature. Which of the following Gupta rulers is said to have embraced Buddhism towards the end of his reign and also founded the Nalanda University? स्कंदगुप्त, बुद्धगुप्त, पुरुगुप्त, कुमारगुप्त 1। यार आंसर हम ऑप्शन डी कुमारगुप्त 1। The Indian National Army was chiefly consisted of Indian civilians residing in Malaya, Singapore, Burma, etc. Indian soldiers who deserted the British government, the Indian prisoners of war captured by the Japanese in Malaya, Singapore, Burma, etc. None of the above. यार आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी द इंडियन prisoners of war captured by the Japanese in Malaya, Singapore, Burma, etc. Gandhiji suspended his first non-corporation movement because it turned violent suddenly. Most of the leaders had been arrested and were in prison. His experiment on all Indian strike had succeeded. He saw no chances of success for the movement. यार आंसर हम ऑप्शन ए इट टर्न्ड वायलेंट सडनली। सेथिपाई गांधीजी सस्पेंड होइथिले तांकर प्रथम नॉन कोऑपरेशनल मूवमेंट रे। द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन फंडामेंटल राइट्स एंड डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल इज फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर justiciable while directive principles are not. Fundamental rights are positive while directive principles are negative. Directive principles are given precedence over fundamental rights by court in all cases. यार आंसर हम ऑप्शन ए फंडामेंटल राइट्स आर justiciable while directive principles are not. The election to the office of the president is conducted by Speaker of Lok Sabha, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Chief Justice of India, the Election Commission of India। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ଡି, ଦ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ୍ କମିଶନ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ। Money bill in a state can be moved in the state secretariat, only in the legislative assembly, by the chief minister and his cabinet collegius, by the governor of the state concerned। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ବି, only in the legislative assembly। The Swadeshi movement was started because Swadeshi movement started ହେଇଥିଲା the British massacred innocent people at Jallianwala Bagh। The British government did not grant responsible government to India। Lord Curzon divided Bengal of deindustrialization in India। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ଡି, of deindustrialization in India। Who called the revolt of 1857 as a national revolt and not a military mutiny? Benjamin Disraeli, Rani Beijabai, Dr. S.N. Sen, Dr. S.B. Raychaudhuri। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ଏ। The salaries of the judges of the Supreme Court are drawn from Home Ministry grants, Consolidated Fund of India, Parliamentary grants, provision made by Law Ministry। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ବି, Consolidated Fund of India। The Chief Election Commissioner is elected by the Parliament, appointed by the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, appointed by the President of India, nominated by the Prime Minister of India। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ସି, appointed by the President of India। Which of the following is a feature of the Indian Constitution? ନିମ୍ନୋକ୍ତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁଟି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନର ଫିଚର ଅଟେ? It vests sovereignty in the executive. It declares India a secular state. It has introduced the principle of universal male suffrage. It affirms our belief in peaceful coexistence। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ବି, It declares India a secular state। Under what circumstances some of the fundamental rights be suspended? On the order of a court, when president rule is imposed, when a proclamation of national emergency is in operation, during financial emergency। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ସି, when a proclamation of a national emergency is in operation। तापर आम डिस्कस करबा जियोग्राफी एंड इकोनॉमिक्स। Where is the largest solar plant of India located? केउठारे इंडियार केउठारे लार्जेस्ट सोलार प्लांट अछि? ओडिशा, राजस्थान, तमिलनाडु, गुजरात। एहार आंसर हबो ऑप्शन बी, राजस्थान। Which region of India is known as the rice bowl? इंडियार कौ रीजन को राइस बॉयल कहा जाए? कृष्णा गोदावरी डेल्टा रीजन, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन, इंडो गंगेटिक प्लान, मध्य प्रदेश छत्तीसगढ़ रीजन। यार आंसर हबो ऑप्शन ए, कृष्णा गोदावरी डेल्टा रीजन को इंडियार राइस बॉयल कहा जाए। Which river is known as Sara of Bihar? ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ସି କୋସି। କୋସି ରିଭରକୁ ବିହାରର ସର କୁହାଯାଏ। Which of the following passes connects Arunachal Pradesh with Tibet? ଜଙ୍ଗଲ, ବନିହାଲ, ଆଘିଲ, ବମ୍ ଦି ଲା। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ଡି ବମ୍ ଦି ଲା। Which type of map depicts different countries and national boundaries? କେଉଁ ମ୍ୟାପ୍ରେ ଆମେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ଏବଂ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ୍ ବାଉଣ୍ଡ୍ରିକୁ ଜାଣିପାରୁ? ସିଟି ମ୍ୟାପ୍, ଟୋପୋଗ୍ରାଫିକାଲ ମ୍ୟାପ୍, ପଲିଟିକାଲ ମ୍ୟାପ୍, କାଡାଷ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ମ୍ୟାପ୍। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ସି ପଲିଟିକାଲ ମ୍ୟାପ୍। Which latitude passes through India? କେଉଁ ଲାଟିଟ୍ୟୁଡ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ପାସ୍ କରିଛି? ଟ୍ରପିକ୍ ଅଫ୍ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର, ଟ୍ରପିକ୍ ଅଫ୍ କାପ୍ରିକର୍ନ, ଇକ୍ୱାଟର, ନନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଏବଭ୍। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଟ୍ରପିକ୍ ଅଫ୍ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ଆମ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଦେଇ ପାସ୍ କରିଛି। As per budget 2023 and 24, how much comes from corporation tax for every one receipt of the government of India? 4 पैसा, 15 पैसा, 17 पैसा, none of the above। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ବି 15 पैसा। Economic reform measures in India were formally introduced in July 1991, August 1947, January 1980, March 1990। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଜୁଲାଇ 1991। Which of the following organization calculates gross domestic product GDP in India? National Statistical Office, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Indian Statistical Institute, Reserve Bank of India। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଷ୍ଟାଟିଷ୍ଟିକାଲ ଅଫିସ। Connect discontinuity is found between Sima and Naif, Sila and Sima, outer and inner core, upper mental and lower mental। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ବି ସିଆଲ and Sima। The lines joining the point of equal temperature is known as isobar, isotherms, isohydrates, isohalines। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ବି isotherms। As per the 2011 census data, in which of the following union territories the female population outnumbers the male population? ଚଣ୍ଡିଗଡ଼, ଲାକ୍ଷାଦ୍ୱୀପ, ଆଣ୍ଡାମାନ ଏଣ୍ଡ ନିକୋବର, ପଦୁଚେରୀ। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ଡି ପଦୁଚେରୀ। What type of unemployment exists in the rural area? Seasonal unemployment, educated unemployment, neither one nor two, only one, both one and two, only two। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ବି only one, seasonal unemployment। Which of the following monsoons account for most of the rainfall in India? Southwest monsoon, southeast monsoon, northeast monsoon, East Asia monsoon। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ବି ସାଉଥ୍ ଇଷ୍ଟ ମନସୁନ୍। Which of the following states has the maximum area under teak forest of India? कर्नाटका, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार। ଏହାର ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଅପସନ୍ ବି मध्य प्रदेश। आशा करछि आपण मानक वीडियोटी भल लगी जदि निहाती लाइक करेंगे एवं चैनल रे प्रथम थर पे देखते चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करि परिबे एवं आपण मानकर किछि भी डाउट थिले आपण माने कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करेंगे, मैं निश्चित रिप्लाई देबी एवं वीडियोटी देखथिबारु धन्यवाद।